Storytelling, terrific insights. I've done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Mercy versus no mercy. Real life moments that will make you think. Because let's be honest, sometimes you're a kind-hearted hero and sometimes you're this close to going full no mercy mode. One, friendly competition. You're playing a game with your comrades. Mercy, you let them win once. No mercy, you dominate like it's the finals. Why? Mercy builds friendship. No mercy builds legends and maybe salty group chats. Two, teaching someone. Now, mercy, you guide them patiently. No mercy, figure it out yourself. Why? Mercy helps people grow. No mercy, might slow them down or toughen them up. 3. Workplace mistakes. Mercy, it's okay. Let's fix it together. No mercy, this is unacceptable. Why? Mercy builds trust. No mercy enforces high standards. 4. Parenting style. Mercy, gentle guidance. No mercy, strict discipline. Why? Balance matters. Too much of either can backfire. 5. Online arguments. Mercy, you stay calm and respectful. No mercy, keyboard warrior activated. Why? Mercy keeps things healthy. No mercy usually just creates chaos. 6. Sports and competition. Mercy, respect the opponent. No mercy, playful intensity until the end. Why? Mercy shows sportsmanship. No mercy shows determination. 7. Self-discipline. Mercy, I'll rest today. No mercy, no excuses, let's go. Why? Mercy prevents burnout. No mercy builds consistency. 9. Customer service moments. Mercy, you stay polite even if frustrated. No mercy, you go full complain mode. Why? Mercy solves problems faster. No mercy might get attention, but not always solutions. 9. Group projects. Mercy, you help teammates catch up. No mercy, do your part or get left behind. Why? Mercy builds teamwork. No mercy builds accountability. 10. Personal goals, mercy, flexible deadlines. No mercy, strict goals. Why? Mercy adapts. No mercy achieve if done right. 11. Dealing with criticism. Mercy, you accept feedback calmly. No mercy, you shut it down. Why? Mercy helps improvement. No mercy protects your ego but limits growth. 12. Everyday kindness. Mercy, you give people the benefit of the doubt. No mercy, you assume the worst. Why? Mercy creates a better environment for everyone. So, what's the verdict? Mercy builds a connection. No mercy builds strength. The real power, knowing when to use each. Because life isn't about being soft or harsh all the time. It's about balance. Which one you more like, Team Mercy or Team No Mercy? Share this with someone who needs a little mercy.